What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Make sure you guys click that subscribe button before you leave, because I know y'all gonna really want to see how I got this flawless base down and much more videos. Okay, so first I start off with moisturizing. I use Pond's. That has been my go-to moisturizer since I started doing my makeup last year. It really does, child, it helps me. I don't know about other people be throwing shade at it, saying it got all kind of this and this in it, but it works for me. Keeps my skin looking shiny, hydrated, as you can see. So, child, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. putty, poreless putty primer. Excuse me. I'm gonna put that all over my nose, under my eye, and above my lip, because you know we want to minimize those pores. And I told y'all I have really large pores, so this is really good to put over your pores. And I just sit a layer on top of my skin, and then I didn't do it on camera, but I do go and take my hand and kind of push over the product to warm it up, to get it to melt down in the skin. Okay, so the key to my full coverage is a matte foundation. I have to get a full coverage matte foundation. Has to be matte. I haven't seen any other product that really covers my freckles, minimize my pores. I've used Fit Me. I've tried to build it up, like people say, you build it and it becomes full coverage. It just doesn't work for me. So LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation, it really does work, and I'm pretty sure any full coverage matte foundation will work. And I also have combination skin, and I know people might be like, well, I have dry skin, so how will I use a matte foundation? If you moisturize right, prep your skin right, it will come out looking so good. Like, y'all will see. I use a matte foundation all the time, and this time I switched it up and I used a dewy mist, a dewy setting spray instead of the Jeffree Star setting spray. I really do not like that. Like, I don't know about y'all, but that's just how I feel. Y'all leave a comment down below and tell me if y'all like, because I don't like it. I like the black can, the continuous mist, but other than that, I really like the NYX dewy setting spray, and it really set this look off. So right now, you know, you just beat it in your face. Don't swirl your brush. None of that. Like, I feel like getting full coverage, for one, you have to tap on your product, tap it into your skin, and it automatically helps with building up your coverage, because sliding it and gliding your brush all over your face ain't doing nothing but swirling your product everywhere, and it just don't look right to me. So I don't know, like, some people do it, but that's just really what I love to use. I love to use a matte foundation because that just gets the job done. Now we're about to get into my favorite part besides blending. I'm getting into highlighting. So you do not have to highlight your face like this. Please don't think I'm saying put a real bright color under your eye, because that's not what I'm saying. These are my steps to my flawless foundation routine. This is what I do to achieve the bright under eye. That's kind of something that's really popular going around now, to do the little bright under eye, and I really think I like it. Like, I love it. Every look that I do now, I try to do a bright under eye, because it really does help to blur out your pores more, and also help to blur out your creasing under your eye. If you crease a lot, I know I do. That's why I kind of don't like doing my face first before my eyes, because my eyes will start watering really bad. I have allergies, and my eyes will start creasing. So the bright under eye trick is really getting it for me. I really like it. So now, after you have your face highlighted and all that, grab you some contour, child. Now, I personally like to use cream contour first before I use my True complexion palette to go over my contour, but I really love using cream contour. I just feel like it blends down so perfectly, melts down in the skin so perfectly. I don't know. That's just my favorite, especially with doing my nose contour, because it just snatches it. Like, that's just been my favorite ever since I've been doing my makeup. I've been using a cream contour or a brown concealer or something like that. I will always use some kind of liquid or kind of cream, but this is the multi-shade stick from Juvia's Place. I don't know why I haven't been telling y'all what I've been using, but y'all can make sure y'all follow my Instagram and you'll see every product that I've used is listed there, okay? So, you know, contour that face, snatch, chisel those cheekbones, okay? So, like I told y'all, this is my favorite part. Like, blending is just so therapeutic. It's just so fun. Like, this is my favorite part to do. Like, the eyes are fun, but once you get to the face, blending, it just adds the icing on the cake. Ooh, period. Now we're about to get to blending out this highlight. Now I told y'all this is my favorite part. And what did I say? Tap. Please tap your product in. If you're someone that has been taking a brush and just going under your eye, just sliding that brush, that concealer into your skin, please stop. Like, please stop. I promise you, you will use less product. You will see more coverage if you pat that product in. And notice how I blend the outside of my concealer first, and then you will see me go into my under eye last. Now the reason why I do that is because I want that concealer to kind of dry down a little bit, because it'll give you so much coverage under that eye. So much coverage either way it goes. Wherever you put your concealer, let it dry down a bit. That's why I don't blend it immediately after I put it down. I do my contour first, blend my contour, then I come back and I do blend my highlight over everything. And I come back to my under eye last. That's when I do my bright under eye. And I'm telling y'all, patting will give you so much full coverage. You will not need a lot of product, and you will start saving some coins, honey. Just start patting that product in. You won't even need to use as much as I did. I didn't even need as much as I did, but you know, I gotta be extra and make sure that I'm seeing it. Make sure I'm seeing it for myself. So I don't know why I've been putting all that on my face, but I'm really loving this. This is really turning out so pretty. And I took a small little eyeshadow brush that got kind of messed up when I was washing it, and I went under my eye and just pushed that product in, and I'm telling you, it blended out so pretty. My face looks so airbrushed after you see me spray this setting spray on, honey. Y'all gonna be like, hold on, let me rewind that one more time, because she looking kind of good, okay? So I'm taking the small brush and I'm just going under my eye and I'm patting that in. And as you can see, it's blending right in with the concealer that I've already blended in underneath. That's why I said blend in that concealer underneath first, child, then go. It's kind of working backwards. It's kind of like the 3-step face base method that I'm seeing that's going around too. Do it, honey. It's kind of like that, but except I don't do the 3-step thing because I use matte foundation and it will dry down fast. So let me get into ranting to y'all real quick about this Stardust translucent powder from Shape Shift Cosmetics. I've been seeing people using it and I did not think that it was all that, but y'all look at this. My right side of my face looks airbrushed the F out. Like, y'all see, no flashback. This is the top down, hands down, head down. This is the best powder next to Laura Mercier. Now, I've seen people raving about that one too, and I haven't tried it. But this one, this is real good for $28. Now, I don't know. She might be having a sale. I don't know, but I got mine for $28. But this is some good ass powder, y'all. Like, this is so good. This is blurring my face out. It looks edited, and we're on the video. Like, and videos don't tell no lie. Y'all go and get this powder, period, okay? So I'm just setting my face, and it's like you can use it for all over powder as well. You don't have to just use it to set your concealer. I use it to set my foundation, and I use it to set my concealer. Like, come on now. And it didn't change the color of my foundation. It didn't make my concealer ashy. It didn't make my foundation ashy. Everything was laid. Look at it. Come on. Where are we getting powders like this from? Like, did it come from the stars for real? Like, and then this is also a trick that I use. Y'all don't tell nobody, okay? It's only for the people that comes to this channel, okay? Use you a small brush. Now, I'm not going to say really small, but something like this that has little dents to it, you know, and take it in between that highlight and that contour and make sure you're blending it together. And I did notice that I didn't blend mine very well because I kind of had a little flashback on my forehead because I don't know, like, as y'all can see, I had a lot going on in the back of my video. I was trying to watch my son and do my makeup at the same time, so last night I just picked the wrong time to do makeup. But now I'm just going over and setting my contour, just tying this whole look on together. Like, I hope this base routine was informative. I hope it helped somebody, because when I first started doing my makeup, I'm gonna drop a picture and let y'all see, like, my freckles was ashy, my face was ashy, and this is the setting spray I was telling y'all about. Like, look at it. And then y'all can go on my Instagram and look at my other makeup that I've been doing. I've been using the Jeffree Star Continuous Setting Spray, and I'm just spraying the heck out of my face with it because, ooh, it made my makeup look so good. But that pink can of Jeffree Star makeup, pink can of mist, is not it. But thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Love you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.